Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we'll guide you on how to disable audio auto-download when connected to Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. By doing this, you can save your precious data and have more control over your media downloads. Let's get started. Step 1. Open WhatsApp on your Android device. Step 2. Tap the three dots located at the top right corner of the page. Step 3. Select Settings from the options that appear. Step 4. Tap on Store and Data from the Settings menu. Step 5. Under Media Auto, Download. Tap on When Connected on Wi-Fi. Step 6. Unmark the option for audio. Step 7. Tap OK to confirm your changes. If you're following these simple steps, you can easily disable audio auto-download when connected to Wi-Fi on WhatsApp. This will help you save data and prevent unwanted audio files from automatically downloading. If you found this guide helpful, please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more useful tutorials.